Now, because of the SNS Kamado's thermal mass, it does make them super simple to get used of. They're a 57 centimetre format, so if you're someone that's invested a fair bit of time and money in a 57 centimetre kettle, all your toys, all your accessories are transferable into a unit like this, so you don't have to go and buy them all over again. And because of that thermal mass, they're so stable. They hold the moisture in, so your need for water pans is pretty minimal, I've found. Now, much like the humble kettle, you can do a wide variety of cooks with a Kamado, and a couple that a kettle just can't do. So we can do anything from low and slow long brisket cooks for 13, 14 hours, pork bites within 3 or 4, or we can get this thing absolutely cranking to really nail some of those Napoli style pizzas. So they're an awesome bit of kit. There's very little they can't do.